I'm at a vending machine right now in Japan, and I'm gonna get some ice cream from the machine. Here it is. It's supposedly Japan's favorite ice cream, called Monaka. So let's see how it is. Putting in the money. Okay.
Are you supposed to press it before? Oops, no, sorry.
Oh, putting in a bit more. Okay, almost done. Gimme, just wait.
There's a place over here.
Oh, there's this one.
Over there.
Okay. Okay, now we're going in. Click it. And it should dispense out here. Grab it. Here it is. See how it is.
On. It should be Japan's best ice cream. Whoa, this is the inside.
How is it? Scale of 1 to 10.
10. Wow. So, is this actually correct?
I don't know. I've only tried one ice cream.
Okay. Oh my god, this means
I would give this a 10 out of 10. This is really, really good. Like, look at the inside. Very good. Bye-bye.